Alright, well, this was my lock, and this is my video response, but I was going to, like the back of it, you can see the back here, I tried to drill a hole right here. I have to camera focus, but mine it said it was hardened right there. So I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, I tried to drill a little hole right there, but it pissed me off, so I just broke it. But I have another one out in the garage. So I'll be right back. Hold on a minute. Alright, this is the other lock I have. Shit. Here it is. I drilled a hole in it right there, but you can see something's fucked up in there. I don't know. That's not it. But this one says case hard, so I couldn't. The back fucking took me forever to pry up in the back, and I bent that. But like, I just want to know, like, on my other lock, like, I had this one and I could see them inside, but I didn't know if I could use that one if I had to use that one, so I was using like the slit in there, and I don't know. I just kind of destroyed my first one, but yeah. But just tell me if I can use this right here, because I might be able to get whatever that is in there, get that out. Focus. Alright. And you see, like, it's like, I don't know. I don't know what the hell that is. But I could see in there, I could see, like, I don't know, let's see if we can do it now. And the camera won't do it. Oh well. But I don't know, I could see it, but it's kind of messed up now. But yeah, just tell me if I can do it with this hole right here that I drilled in there. So, thank you.